Hello bro. This time I will share how to overcome the bypass error. But before moving on to the video, how nice of you, like and subscribe first this channel. Because subscribe, free. Okay, next. If you find problems like in this video about bypass error, please try my way bro. You go to the bypass application info, and you just have to delete all data. Then you just have to go back into the application, and see you can return to normal again bro. Thank you for watching my video, see you later in the next video. Bye bye bro.